Are you curious about whether you can share your YouTube TV subscription with someone in a different household? It's a question many users have, especially when trying to figure out the best way to split costs or share access with family or friends. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether YouTube TV can be shared between households. So if you're ready to get the facts and understand the rules, grab a snack and let's dive in. YouTube TV is designed for use within a single household, meaning the service is intended to be used by people who live together under one roof. While you can create up to 6 user profiles per account, each with its own personalized settings and DVR library, sharing your subscription with someone in a completely different household is technically against YouTube TV's terms of service. That said, YouTube TV does offer a feature called Family Sharing, which allows you to share your subscription with others in your home, but not across separate locations. If someone outside your household tries to frequently access your account from a different location, YouTube TV may flag it as suspicious activity, potentially leading to account restrictions. If this video helped you understand the rules around sharing YouTube TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.